Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia.com, and today I'll be telling you that how you can know your college according to your NEET rank. So first you have to search for the Collegedunia website, that is Collegedunia.com, and once you see this page you have to click on it, and once you reach the website you will scroll down below and you will see the college predictor section. So click on that, and then you have to select the exam and the course you want to pursue. For example, the exam that I want to do is NEET, and for example I want to do um, Bachelor of Science, that is BSc Nursing, and then select on Find Colleges, and then you'll be redirected to the page where you have to enter your rank, reservation category, and the state and course. So for example my rank is 569 and I'm in OBC reservation category, and my state is Uttar Pradesh. And then you have to click on check results. So you can see that there are total in 9 colleges that I qualify for, and you'll see all the information regarding the colleges here, and if you want to know more you can just select here, and it will redirect you to the page where you can see all the information regarding the course, its fees and hostel allocation and everything. The course description is also given here, and you can download the brochure by selecting brochure here. And then if you want to know more and if you want to see colleges according to your preferences, then you can select the option filter, and you can just select the option, or you can just see the preferences according to your choice. For example, you want to see according to the state you live in, the city or the year, the quota, substream, degree type or category, and you can just save the changes and apply, and you'll see all the changes. So if you have any other question you can comment down below, or you can just visit the College Dunia website, that is collegedunia.com. Thank you.